kitchen. Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey! Jody cooking, delicious cooking.
Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a delicious recipe for you all. I'm gonna make some fried cabbage. I'm gonna show you how to make the perfect fried cabbage. Yes, so these are all of my ingredients that I'll be using. I'm gonna start off with my seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of complete seasoning. I also have some smoked sashes and bacon. You can use, any amount you preferred, okay? I'm also gonna add carrot. I have 1 small carrot and 1 tomato that I cut. And half of onion that I cut also, as you can see. These are my bell peppers, sweet peppers, and I'm using half. I have the green and the yellow, and I also have the red. And this is how I cut it, guys. You can cut it whichever size you preferred, okay? And guys, I'm also gonna add a small amount of fresh thyme, at least 1 teaspoon, 3 cloves of garlic that I finely chopped, some scallion, and Jamaican scotch bonnet pepper. I'm gonna use a small amount. Guys, honestly, it's gonna make it be so delicious and so tasty. And this is my cabbage right here. But I'm not gonna use all of this cabbage because this is gonna be too much. Don't forget, guys, to give me a thumbs up. Please share this video to someone that you know will enjoy it, okay? Stay tuned. So now I'm gonna cut my cabbage. So this is what I cut, and I'm just gonna use this, okay? You can just cut it in whatever size you prefer, guys. It doesn't really matter. So this is just the middle part of the cabbage that I don't need. I'm just gonna throw it away. So it is all cut. So now I'm just gonna add it to my bowl. You want to make sure that you give your cabbage a nice little wash, okay? Yes. So guys, I'm using pork sashes, okay? You can also use chicken. So I'm just gonna show you on how I cut it. I'll leave back a little bit just to show you guys. And you can cut it in whatever size. Just cut it like so. This is gonna be so delicious, guys. So yummy. And the bacon also, I buy the bacon cut, and this is smoked bacon. This is how we cut. Make sure you use the bacon that have the fat. So guys, here I have my pot and my stove, and my stove is on a medium to high heat. So now that my pot is all heated up, I'm gonna add my bacon, okay? So guys, this is what my bacon look like. As you can see, it is nice and crispy and it makes lots of oil. Perfect. I'm gonna remove my bacon and put them to my plate. It is so nice and so crispy. This is exactly what you want, guys. This is perfect. It is very smoky in my kitchen. So guys, in the same pot, I'm gonna add my smoked sashes, okay? Now I'm gonna turn it over. So guys, my sashes is all finished. Nice and golden. That's perfect. So I'm just gonna remove it also. So now guys, I'm gonna add my onions, my garlic. Just gonna leave it for at least 10 seconds. So just after 10 seconds, I'm gonna add my bell peppers. My carrot and my tomato. And I'm just gonna leave that, guys, for at least 20 seconds, okay? I'm gonna just mix some of my seasoning and just add a small amount. So guys, this is my Jamaican scotch bonnet pepper and I only use a small amount, okay? And if you don't have it, it is totally optional. But trust me, it will make a big difference. And now I'm gonna add my cabbage. Then you just mix it all in. Guys, it look amazing. So now I'm gonna add my seasoning. So guys, you want to make sure that everything is all combined, okay? And you can always taste it to your liking. If you need any salt, any all-purpose seasoning, you can always add just a bit. It looks super, super delicious. I'm loving all the color. Honestly, this recipe, guys, is a must try. It is super, super, super yummy. It's gonna be so, so good. So guys, I'm just gonna leave it uncovered for at least 2 minutes uncovered, okay? Then after, I add my bacon and my sashes and cover it up. Now I'm gonna add my bacon and my sashes, okay? Look at that. Super, super delicious.
Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it.
Just gonna mix it all in. Make sure that everything is all combined.
From Jody cooking, delicious cooking. Jody cooking, straight from the kitchen.
So guys, I'm just gonna cover it up for at least 6 minutes, okay? So guys, I forgot to put in my scallion and my thyme, so I'm just gonna do it now and just leave it, as I said, for 5 to 6 minutes, okay? So guys, it's been over 6 minutes and it is all finished. Absolutely delicious. It is cooked to perfection. It is super, super, super delicious, guys. I'm telling you, this recipe right here is a must try. The cabbage is nice and cooked down. It is very soft. Oh my goodness. Honestly, guys, I cannot wait for you all to try this recipe. It is so, 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 so yummy. Guys, I thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and please share this video to someone that you know will enjoy it. Until next time, bye. Love you all.